Only the fields in yellow are required. All white fields are optional. Fill in the information that applies to the tow, and don't worry about the rest. The ticket number is automatically numbered, but you can overwrite it to be your number if you want. The case or member number is used to store the police case number, or the motor club's membership number. Dispatch comment is editable by the dispatcher or a manager. This goes out in the text message to the driver. The driver also sees it when he has access to PTOM. Tow description can be edited by anyone who accesses PTOM. It can be used to note the circumstance of the tow, or the condition of the tow or vehicle. The customer is a list that you maintain. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. Only managers can access the settings menu. A customer is any contract that you have, or it can be a general public or cash customer. The type or reason for the tow is a list that is maintained by you. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the ticket descriptions option. We give you some default values, but you are free to add to, or remove from any list. It is used later in reporting, and can be used to automatically create charges based on a customer's contracted rates. The requested by is a list that is maintained by you. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the ticket descriptions option. You could think of this as a sub-account of your customer. Or it can be an additional way for you to document how you receive this job. It is used later in reporting, and can be used to automatically create charges based on a customer's contracted rates. The vehicle class is a list that is maintained by you. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the ticket descriptions option. This is your description of the class of vehicle you towed. It could be trailer, truck, or a passenger car. It is used later in reporting, and can be used to automatically create charges based on a customer's contracted rates. The truck type is a list that is maintained by you. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the ticket descriptions option. It is your description of the type of truck required to do the tow. It could be road service, flatbed, medium, or heavy. It is used later in reporting, and can be used to automatically create charges based on a customer's contracted rates. If you quoted a price, you can put the quoted price in the quote field. The pickup address can be automatically filled out based on a setting in your customer. The service zone is a list that you maintain. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the ticket descriptions option. It is a description for how you break out the different geographical areas you serve. It is used later in reporting, and can be used to automatically create charges based on a customer's contracted rates. The listing of your storage lots is a list that you maintain. This list can be accessed via the settings menu at the top. It is under the lots option. When you select the storage lot, it will fill in the rest of the drop-off address details for you. The storage lot and the drop-off address can be automatically populated based on a setting in the customer. When you enter a full 17-digit VIN, the year, make, model and body style are populated for you. And the last part of the quick ticket is the caller information. Filling in the phone number will allow the driver to quickly call the person from his mobile phone if he needs to. And the email address is used to email the invoice to the caller, allowing you to be paperless.